So, now that we've done the introduction and we know what inequalities are all about, let's solve them. So, the first thing I want to do is I'm going to put a fence here because the inequality sign, the equal sign, shows me what's on one side of the equation or on the other side of the equation. Okay, now that I've done that, I know that I have to simplify each sign. So the first thing I want to do is distribute. Okay, so I'll bring 6 down. 5 times 2 is 10, and then 5 times negative x is negative 5x. And I bring down my inequality sign and the 41. Okay. I can now combine the right terms. So 6 plus 10 is 16 minus 5x less than or equal to 41. And then from there, I'm going to subtract 16 from both sides. So negative 5x is less than or equal to, and 41 minus 16 is 25. And then just as though it were an equation, I'm going to divide by the negative 5 because I want to eliminate the coefficient. So I have x and I have negative 5. Now the rule is, since I'm dividing by a negative number, the coefficient of my x is negative, I want to switch the inequality sign to go the other way. Alright? And then let's graph that. So we have negative 5 is our anchor, negative 6, and negative 4 are on either side. So the inequality sign, negative greater than or equal to, tells me that I'm going to have a filled-in or solid circle at negative 5. And because it's greater than, it tells me that I'm going to move it to the greater than. So my solution looks like this graph. Now, what if we decided, we came down to the last step, and we forgot to switch the inequality? So we had x is less than or equal to negative 5. Okay? You know what? Let's check. So let's choose a number that's less than negative 5. Okay? So we're going to choose, say, x equals negative 10. If we choose x equals negative 10, let's see what happens to our inequality. We start at the beginning, 6 plus 5 times the quantity 2 minus negative 10 less than or equal to 41. Okay, so we get 6 plus, and then I'm going to do 5, and 2 minus negative 10 gives us 12. Less than or equal to 41. Well, 5 times 12 is 60. 60 plus 6 is 66. This is not true. So by checking, we can see that we did something wrong. And this is extremely important when you're looking at inequality. So never, ever be afraid to go check, because it might just give you those extra points on the test course. Okay? So enjoy doing your inequalities.